In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an image caption in Google Docs using two simple methods. Whether you're preparing a school project, creating professional documents, or you simply want your images to look clean and well labeled, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Doc and go to the image you want to add a caption to. Once you're there, look for an empty line right below the image. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Simply click underneath the image and start typing your caption. You can write anything you want, for example, Figure 1, sample image. After typing it, use the spacebar, the tab key, or the alignment buttons at the top to center or position the caption exactly where you want it. This is the quickest way to add a simple caption. Next, let's look at a cleaner, more flexible method. Click on the image again and you'll see several layout options appear underneath it. Now select Wrap Text. This gives you much better control over where the image sits. Follow the on-screen options, they're designed to be very user-friendly. After enabling Wrap Text, you can freely move the image anywhere in your document. This makes it much easier to position the image directly above or below your caption so everything looks perfectly aligned. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the image is not overlapping any text, leave enough spacing between the caption and the image, and use consistent font style and size for all captions in your document. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent formatting issues. Once you've completed these steps, adjust the caption one more time to ensure everything looks balanced. After that, you should be able to place your image and caption exactly where you want them without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to lock the final layout by selecting the image and choosing a fixed wrap margin. Taking this extra step keeps your formatting stable even if you add more text later. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add clean, professional-looking image captions in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be working on documents too. Why not make someone's day easier?